Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to install Google Keyboard on your Android phone, step-by-step tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store. The next thing you need to do is to click on search. Then come to search apps and game and type in Google Keyboard. Then click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then as at the time of making this video, 10 billion plus have downloaded and used this particular keyboard. You can swipe and check on some of the interface of how the keyboard is going to look like, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on install right here. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. Then click on enable in settings. So step 2, select Gboard as your default input method. Click on select input method. Then make sure you switch to Gboard. You are all set. Click on done. Now it's going to take you right here. So you have so many items right here that you can simply work on. One of the first one is languages right here. You can simply click on here, then it's going to take you right here. Click on English US right here. And here you can choose as many as possible keyboard template for English US right here. As you can see, so you can change to handwriting, you can change to quote, you can change to any type you like right here. That's simple. So I'm going to simply leave it in this one right here and I'll go back. Go back. Then check on preferences right here. So under the preferences right here, you can decide to show the number row right here. So number row will appear on the keyboard. Then scroll down right here and come to the font section. So you can use system font or Gboard default font. Then come to the layout right here. So right hand layout mode, left hand layout mode. So you can choose any of the options. Sound on key press. So you can enable sound on each time you are pressing any key on the keyboard or disable it. Next, scroll down right here. So pop up on keys press. Then to bring out any symbol on your keyboard, you can enable this. Then once you are done with your preferences setting, click on here to go back. Then right here you have theme. Select on theme. So theme here will determine how you want your keypad to look like. You can decide to choose color from here and add it to your theme. Or better still, you can scroll down right here and download any of the available theme right here. If you are satisfied with the default theme like Google right here, you can go ahead and make use of it. But if you like to change the theme, you can simply choose dark theme or system auto or default. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply put it system auto. So just like what you see right here, this is the system auto. It can either be dark mode or it can be light mode. So what we want to do is to click on apply right here. It's that simple. So if you would like to check on the colorize, you can scroll down right here and check on the colorize or download it. Next, go back. Then right here, move to text correction. Under the text correction right here, suggest contact, use information from contact for suggestion, enable this. Then click on allow. Then scroll down right here, undo autocorrect on backspace. Auto space after punctuation. Enable that. So right here, you can simply click on here to go back from text correction. Print typing. Click on that. Then make sure all these buttons here are enabled. Go back. Then under the first typing right here, use first typing, fast first typing, download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice. Once downloaded, is available. Enable that. Click on go back. The next thing you want to do here is clipboard resection. So show recent copy text and images in your suggestion. Make sure this button is enabled. Show items such as address, phone number within recent copy. Make sure it's enabled. Save recent screenshot in your clipboard. If you would like to save any screenshot on your keyboard, enable this button. Then right here, make sure you click on allow all. Then click on go back. Next, scroll down right here, dictionary. So under dictionary, click on personalization. Click on languages right here. So it take you right here. You don't have any words in the personal dictionary to add word. Simply click on plus sign right here if you want to add word in dictionary. So click on go back. Go back and back. Next, go to emoji stickers and GIF. So under the emoji right here, emoji fast access row. Show popular and frequently used emoji on the main keyboard. Enable this. Emoji in symbol keyboard, on this. Then you can scroll down right here and everything here has been fully turned on. Then click on here to go back. Then right here, share Gboard. Then the next thing you want to do here is to move to privacy section. Under the privacy section, share usage statistics, enable that. Personalize for you, enable that. Improve for everyone, enable that. Audio donation, snippets of your audio input or your Gboard will be sent to and store on Google server to help improve speech recognition for everyone. This setting does not affect audio saved on your devices or on Google processes. Transcribe and learn from your audio in real time. Simply enable this. If you would like to always transcribe your audio, then make voice typing better for everyone. Click on I'm in. I agree. It's that simple. Once you are set up with everything, you are done. Simply go back right here and then exit from the setup. Then now you can make use of your Gboard keyboard. For us to make use of our Gboard keyboard, I'm going to simply head over to my WhatsApp and then see how the Gboard keyboard is going to look like. I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right here. Right here, I'm going to reply to this. So you can see the keyboard right here. So it's that simple. You can check on some of the symbol right here. You can see all the symbols available. You can also see some of the emoji from the top. So there are a lot of features right here. You can see GIF. You can see color section, which allow you to change your theme from this section right here. There are much more, a lot of things you can do with this Gboard keyboard. You can see your clipboard section. You can see your GIF section and your settings section. It's that simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply install your Gboard keyboard on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.